What's up, traders? Links in the description to the tools I use in my Telegram group to ask questions and talk trading with me and other like-minded traders. I live stream here on YouTube and on Kick at Inner Circle Hotshot Monday through Friday for London session at 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and for New York session at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Come join us. A beginner-friendly approach to some ICT concepts, bro. A lot of you know that I like to open, low, high, close. If I'm in a bullish market, like to get in on the low for the expansion higher. And then if I'm in a bearish market, I like to open high, get in on the high for the expansion low in a bearish market, right? Might sound a little gibberish for some of you, but what I'm specifically referring to are the candles. So each candle has an open and it'll either go lower and then expand higher and then close off, or like a bear candle will open, go lower, expand low, and then close off. You know what I mean? Open, high, low, close, open, low, high, close. That's what it's referring to are the candles. So easy way to kind of understand it, easy way to trade it. I like to throw on some indicators, and this is going to be for beginners, of course. This is not advanced trading, bro. This is going to be for those people who struggle with trading, who struggle to get direction, all of that good stuff. You're going to search MTF EMAs, okay? It's going to be by this Finsman guy right here. So you're going to start, go ahead and click it twice. You're going to bring up two of them on your charts. On the first one, go ahead and click the settings. Click off the use current chart resolution. We don't want that on. You're going to set this to 1 minute, okay? Once you click it to 1 minute, change EMA1 to 20. Leave the rest alone, don't matter. Unclick them all, that's why they don't matter. And then you could change the color to anything you want. I'm going to just put it black. And you could change the thickness to anything you want. I'm going to make it real thin, okay? Second ones, we're going to go to inputs, make sure that's off as well. Change it from 1 day to 15 minutes. We're going to change this first one to 20. Second one to 50. The other two don't matter. We're going to turn them off anyway. I'm going to change my 50 to red, and I'm going to change my 20 to blue, okay? So what are these? So to kind of give you a little idea of these give you direction. Whenever the 20 is over the 50, the 15-minute EMAs, whenever the 15-minute 20 is over the 15-minute 50, you're looking for buys. And whenever the 50 is above the 20, meaning the 20 is below the 50, you're looking for sells. And these are specific to 4-hour open, low, high, close, okay? If you notice, whenever price comes back into the EMAs, I like to kind of call it a slingshot. So if we look on the 15-minute, look at how price comes back into the EMAs, and then they slingshot. Boom. It's like the EMAs get pulled back like a slingshot. Boom. Same right here. Slingshot. Boom. Slingshot by Hotshot, bro. I love it. So on the 4-hour, if you notice the candles, like this one right here, it opened, went low into the EMAs, it slingshotted, and then went higher and then closed off, right? This gives me an idea, and it gives me an easier way to predict what the next candle is going to do. Is it going to do an open low high close, or is it going to do an open high low close? You know what I mean? And by knowing that, I'm knowing what I'm going to be looking for the trading session. Am I going to be looking strictly for buys, or am I going to be looking strictly for sells? Okay, so knowing that, we want to trade a certain candle, right? I like to trade the 9 a.m. candle. Like I said, come join us. You could trade the 9 a.m. candle with us. So notice this candle right here. Just by looking at the chart, let's say that this candle wasn't here, right? Let's just pull it back. Let's say that that candle wasn't there. Looking at this chart right now, we see the EMAs, the 20 is over the 50. I'm thinking bullish right now, right? I'm thinking the next candle is going to open, create a low, expand higher, and then close off, right? So how can we get into this? We got to wait for that 4-hour candle to open, which it opens at 9. Boom. So it opened right here. Now, if we want to buy, we want to buy below the open because it opens and then it creates the low. And we want to buy below the open at the low, okay? What does it usually retrace into? What does it usually come low into? It'll come low into like a fair value gap like you see right here. Or sometimes it'll come all the way low and it'll sweep out liquidity. Either way, does not matter, right? Either way does not matter. The reason why I say that is because we want to drop to the 1 minute time frame. And in this moment, this is where that 1 minute EMA comes into play. Okay? we're not going to look for a trade until a 1 minute EMA closes, or until a 1 minute. I apologize, I take that back. We won't look for a trade until a 1 minute candle closes above that 1 minute EMA. Boom, it looks like that one is it right there. Okay, so because that 1 minute candle closed above that 1 minute EMA, we're going to go long right here. We're going to go long on that. Stop loss will go below the low right here. 10 pip stop loss. You could target a 1 to 2R, or even a 1 to 1.5R if you wanted that. It's totally up to you, but I say a 1 to 2R. Let's play it out, see what happens. Well, we see some profit. We see some profit. Came to back to our entry. Now you could set it and forget it, bro. Become emotionless. You know what I mean? It came back to entry. Become emotionless, bro. It's either take profit or stop loss. Either take profit or stop loss, bro. Make your trading simple. Either take profit or stop loss, bro. Either one. Let the trade play, bro. Let it play out. Give it some time to play, bro. Look at, we're back into good profit now. Boom. Take profit was hit. Beautiful freaking trade setup right there, bro. Become emotionless during your trades, bro. Don't let your trades, you know what I mean, fuck with you. Don't let them fuck with you, bro. You know what I mean? So that's like a bullish example, right? Let's look for like a bearish example. So a bearish example, let me look for like a pair that's been trading. Look at this one. So this has been trading bearish, right? And at 9 a.m. today, USD CAD, 9 a.m. today, if we're looking at it, let's say we haven't seen the 9 a.m. candle yet. Let's say we're coming to our charts. It's 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We see price like this. We see that the 20 is below the 50. Right away, we're thinking, oh, we're going to look for a bearish setup. We're going to look for a sell. We're going to look for the next candle to open, create a high for us to get in on the high, and then watch it sell off for us to get in, you know what I mean, to sell. So from there, we got to wait for that 9 a.m. to open, which it opens right here. So it opens up, and again, if we're sellers, we want to sell above the open. And what does it go up into? It open high. What does it go high into? Look at, there's a fair value gap right here. It could possibly come all the way up into here, but it does not matter. Remember, why doesn't it matter? Because we dropped to the 1 minute, and as long as it's above our open, we're looking strictly for a close over that 20 EMA. I got price respected it. Price is like, nah, it's not ready to go yet. Price respected it. See? Oh. Boom, there's your entry right there. Hot shot. These are big stop losses though. It's okay, bro. It's okay. You know what I mean? 5 pip stop loss, that's really big to you, bro. We're trading on the 1 minute chart, my friend. 1 to 2R. Set it, let it play. Let it play out. Stop loss or take profit, bro. Which one is it going to be? It hit stop loss this time. And that's okay. It's a part of trading. Trading is a game of probabilities. Okay? This is why we manage our risk. So now the next trade, we can cut our risk. So if we risked 1%, the next trade we could risk 0.5%, target a 1 to 2R to make back our 1%. When then the next trade, we can risk our 1% again, bro. That's how you do risk management, bro. Cut your risk so your account doesn't bleed and you provide longevity to your account. Okay? So right here we took a loss, minus 1%. That's totally cool. What time is it? It's still within that 9 a.m. candle, and it went even higher, bro. It created some liquidity up here. It just swiped it out. If we're bearish, this is a turtle soup to us, okay? We want to see it close below that 1 minute EMA. Boom. There's a little entry right there. Close below it. That's our entry. Stop loss will go above the high right here. About a 5 pip stop loss. Target a 1 to 2R. Again, we're risking 0.5% on this one because we risked 1% and we lost 1%. So we're down 1%. Okay? Let's play it out. Stop loss or take profit. Stop loss again. That's okay. So now we're down 1.5%. It's a game of probabilities. Remember that. Being down 1.5%, we're going to cut our risk on the next trade in half again. So instead of risking 0.5%, we're going to risk 0.25%, and we're going to target a 1 to 2R. And when we hit that 1 to 2R, we're going to make back our 0.5%. So then the next trade will risk that 0.5%, target a 1 to 2R, so we can make back our 1%, and then we'll be back at break even, bro. And our account is bleeding, bro. Like, we're only down 1.5%. We could be down 2%. Now we're gonna risk 0.25%. If we lose this, we're only down 1.75%. We could be down 3%. Keep your account from bleeding, bro. This is risk management, okay? Look at, we just missed it. That's okay. Look at right here. This is an entry for me. I am risking 0.25%. Stop loss will go above right here. Boom, 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 boom. I'm going to target a 1 to 2R. Okay. Let it play. Stop loss or take profit. Beautiful. Holy smokes, it just melted. 1 to 2R hit. We just made back 0.5%. We are now currently down 1% on the account. So the next trade we take, we are going to look to take a 0.5% risk. Targeted 1 to 2 to make 1% back, be break even on our account. Then the next trade we'll take that 1% risk again. Hopefully we'll hit a 1 to 2 and be up 2% on the account. Now let's say we go up into profit, we're up 2% on the account, and we risk 1% the next trade and we take a loss. So we're only up 1% on the account, right? At that moment, what do? We cut our risk again and we go to 0.5% risk on the next trade. We prevent our account from bleeding, and we prevent ourselves from risking too much and eating to our profits that we've already made. Okay, so this is an easy beginner friendly approach. That's risk management for you all right there. Make sure to cut your risk. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. I appreciate everybody for watching. That's pretty much all that good stuff. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, message me directly on Telegram or through email for a one-on-one session. I will literally help you understand what I know, bro. I will leave those in the description. Till next time, take care, stay safe, and let's run up those profits, my friends. Later.